What's up, Sun Raes? Welcome back to the channel. It's Ray. If you're new here, welcome. Today I'm going to be doing a wash and go, and I'm going to be using the KeraCare Gelessence Super Hold Gel. I just showed you guys this in my vlog saying that I got it in. Wanted to try it. I had tried the moisturizing gel from this line. I do have it on my channel here. You can go take a look at it. And I liked it. So I wanted to try the Super Hold Gel and see how that compared to it. And it's funny because I wasn't going to film this today, and then I was like, you know what? There's no protective cap on here, I will say that. But I was like, you know what? They may be interested, so I'll film it, and then I'll decide later if I want to actually put it up or not. So I will say that I have the leave-in to this line in my hair already. I put it on in the shower. It's the KC by KeraCare Curl Essence leave-in, and hopefully they work well together because I did not test them out at all, but it worked well with the moisturizing gel, so I'm assuming that it will work okay with this one. I will also say that so far my hair looks good, but I'll also say that I didn't have the best wash day because I tried out some new wash day products, shampoo, conditioner, and deep conditioner, and I did not get what I want out of those. So I was going to go in with my tried and true faithful moisturizing products to combat that, but then I thought to myself, well, these gels are supposed to be pretty moisturizing, so let me just go ahead and try to bring some new content to you and try to use a moisturizing gel to combat that, instead of bringing something to you that I've already shown you multiple times on my channel. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. You can see by my ends that they're getting a little bit frizzy, and that's because there is not a lot of moisture or hydration in my hair, in my opinion. So the reason why I chose this gel, because of the glycerin in it. It is supposed to attract moisture, and for the next several days it is supposed to be rainy here. It's rainy today, gloomy. It's supposed to be rainy and humid, so I'm figuring with the humidity and moisture in the air, this gel will draw it to my hair and I should still be okay. I know y'all probably like, girl, but at this point I just got to get my hair done, and we're going to see how it works out. We're going to see how these products work as well. Right now this is looking good. It's defining my curls. I don't know if y'all can tell or not. Maybe if I lean back. Looks good. Looks shiny right now. I don't know if that shine will last, but right now it looks shiny, so I'm happy about that. And the products for my wash day will be in a different video because I'm going to review those separately. And it actually might be up before this one, so check the iCards up here to my left, and the video review may be right there. So far I like this gel, going on well. I'm trying not to use too much. I'm probably using too much because of the high glycerin content. I'm using it like I do my other gel, so I probably need to slow down on it a little bit. I better slow down on it a little bit, but right now I like how it looks and feels, and it's gliding on the hair. Okay, you guys tell me, have you used this gel before? Do you like it? What do you use it with? What leave-in? What time of, what season do you use it in, or do you use it year-round? Tell me. I want to know all that in the comments section. So this is the first section. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of my hair, and I'll be back when it's all applied.
Shout of praise. Oh, there's only one name. We lift up a shout. We lift up a shout. Oh, together we sing. We lift up a shout. We lift up a shout of praise. Shout of praise. Oh, there's only one name. We lift up a shout. We lift up a shout. Oh, together we sing. We lift up a shout. We lift up a shout of praise. Let the anthem rise up, let the song ring out.
Alright guys, I'm about done. I know y'all probably saw me yelling. Like, what is she doing? Who is she talking to? Talking to my husband. He's making us some sandwiches. He's asking me what I wanted on it. So I went, when I grocery shopped the other day, I picked up some, wait for it, bologna. I had not had bologna in a while, and I was like, ooh, fried bologna sandwiches sound good. Normally I get, you know, the honey roasted turkey, or, you know, ham or whatever, the deli meat. But for some reason I saw that bologna, packaged bologna, and I was like, fried bologna sandwich sound good. A little something a little different. Now, if y'all old enough, y'all know what I'm talking about. Some of y'all young ones may have never had a fried bologna sandwich. I don't know if you have or not. But those of you who are old enough that know, I know it ain't good for you and all that, but I had a taste for it. So it is the weekend, and my husband usually takes care of meals on the weekend since I do it during the week. Now, he normally goes out and just picks up something, or if it's nice, he may grill or whatever. But it's rainy today, like I said, gloomy, so, and I'm hungry. And so he was like, I'm going to go out. And I was like, why don't you just make a fried bologna sandwich for us or something? And he was like, what? That ain't going to hold us all day. And I said, no, but you can go out later if you decide to. So that's what he was doing, was saying, what you want on it? You want your bread toasted? You want cheese? You want this? You want that? So I was answering him. He just brought it up here. So it's sitting over there waiting on me. So I need to get myself under the dryer so I can eat it while it's hot. So y'all tell me, have y'all ever had a fried bologna sandwich? Do you like it? I bet y'all eat mustard on y'all's, don't y'all? I ain't a mustard person, so I want Miracle Whip on mine. But yeah, so this is my hair. This is what it looks like. I think I was heavy-handed on the gel, and I think I'm going to get sticky hair, but let's hope not. This is how much I use. So it's about, well, it's higher up on this side than this side. I was digging down, but I use probably a third of the jar is 16 ounces. So that's about right. But for this particular gel with all this glycerin in it, because I think this has glycerin as the second ingredient too. I need to look at it and see. The writing is white, so I can't see it right now. But I believe they're pretty much the same. So I think I may have used too much. My hands feel a little bit sticky, so I'm gonna go wash those, get my hair under the dryer, and I'll be back when it's dry so we can talk about the product. So stay tuned. Okay guys, I'm back and this is my hair. I did stretch it a little bit with clips, so that's why it's a little ill-shapen. But yeah, this is it. It is soft and there is no crunch. It does feel moisturized right now, but again, this is a glycerin heavy gel. I do have a little bit of stickiness, so I do think that I use too much. I also think that it will go away as the days go on. I'm hoping, because I'm right from under the dryer basically. So once it actually sits for a while and really get a chance to dry without being a little bit warm, I think it will not feel that way. So yeah, that's what I'm hoping. Guys, I want to cut this so bad. Ooh, I just want to cut that so bad, but I'm trying not to. My hair needs some shaping really, really bad. Okay, so for me, I feel like this should not be called Super Hold Gel. And it says it's for relaxed and natural hair. Now, they could just mean that the hold is going to last. So we'll see. You guys know, I'll let you know how long the hold lasts because I do have definition. But as far as crunch, that's where I think people are going to get mistaken with this. They're going to feel like that they're going to get a lot of crunch with this, and you're not. I mean, I use quite a bit, like I said, and I don't have any crunch whatsoever. So again, I used it with a leave-in from the KeraCare line. Maybe if you used it alone, you might get a little bit more hold. I doubt you're going to get crunch, but you know, you may get a little bit more hold. Guys, I think I took my glasses downstairs. Hold on. I'm trying to see what this says. So it says gives a strong hold, flake-free, no parabens, mineral oil, silicones, phthalates, or petrolatum. So it is flake-free. I don't have any flakes or flurries. It says after conditioning with the curl or okay. So it does. It says after conditioning with the Curl Essence Moisturizing Leave-In Conditioner, which is what I used. Apply gel to wet hair and comb through to distribute evenly, arrange as desired, and complete styling to restyle, dampen hair, and rearrange. So yeah, I did what it said to do. So for me, there's no crunch whatsoever. This is probably a gel you could use alone because of the glycerin content. Let me see what the ingredients are. Water, glycerin. So glycerin is the second ingredient like I thought. So yeah guys, this is it. Let me know what you think. Regular hair, not a lot of shine. It looks shinier when it was wet. It just looks regular, and now we'll see how long you know, it lasts. Like I said, I don't feel like, that's what I was going to say as far as super hold, I don't feel like it gave me any more hold or definition than the moisturizing one did. So I'm not sure why they call this a super hold over that one, but like I said, we'll see. I'm not mad at it. I'm not mad at it. It'll definitely get me through today, which my son is supposed to have a game tonight. Not sure if we're going or not, but yeah, it'll definitely get me through the days that I need it to get me through. and if it doesn't, it'll go up in a puff. So yeah, guys, that's it. Just wanted to share this gel with you since I was using it. Let me know if you've used any of these gels. If you have, which ones, what you use with it, if anything, as far as a leave-in is concerned. So yeah, let me know which one you like the best. Leave all that in the comment section below so we all can learn from you. And guys, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye, guys.